Discover One.com, your ultimate web hosting solution. Looking for hassle-free web hosting that's both reliable and user-friendly? One.com has you covered. Here's why you should consider them for your website. 1. Ease of use. One.com prides itself on simplicity. Their intuitive control panel makes managing your website a breeze, whether you're setting up your domain, creating email accounts, or installing applications like WordPress. With straightforward tools and a user-friendly interface, even beginners can navigate the world of web hosting effortlessly. Go to One.com web hosting, link in video description. 2. Suitable for everyone, whether you're an individual blogger, a small business owner, or an entrepreneur with grand aspirations. One.com offers hosting solutions tailored to your needs. Their scalable packages ensure that you have the resources required to support your website's growth, no matter how big your ambitions are. 3. Pricing details. One.com offers transparent and budget-friendly pricing plans. You can choose from a variety of packages, starting with basic options perfect for personal websites and scaling up to more advanced plans suitable for businesses and e-commerce ventures. With no hidden fees and regular promotions, you can get started with hosting your website without breaking the bank. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already made One.com their hosting provider of choice. With their commitment to simplicity, reliability, and affordability, you can trust One.com to support your online endeavors every step of the way. Don't let the complexities of web hosting hold you back. Visit One.com today and get a big discount, link in video description. Experience the ease and convenience of One.com today and take your website to new heights.